Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoop here. Just wanted to make a quick video for now, just telling everyone about the Bitcoin dump. The whole market crashed. It's down, to over 10%. It's very obvious why. A lot of people don't know why, so I decided to make a video. It's just kind of, I don't know. I'm getting irritated because on Twitter and Reddit and everything, it's just been super obvious on why the market would crash today on September 7th, or even like somewhere around here, right between September 6th to 8th, but generally on the 7th. Depends on your time zone, of course. But El Salvador said they would make Bitcoin legal tender on September 7th. Everyone knew this because, it was a big thing about Bitcoin going into, the Bitcoin law in El Salvador. And, they officially announced September 7th a while ago. Then everyone on Reddit and Twitter and everything all said, all right, in support of El Salvador making Bitcoin legal tender, let's all buy $30 worth of Bitcoin. So knowing that, what would you do if you actually don't care? Sorry about this. If you don't, oops, I don't know what I'm doing. Let me remove these. If you don't care that much about like Bitcoin or being part of history on the buying $30 on the day, what would you do if you knew every single person in Bitcoin was planning on buying $30 worth on September 7th? Personally, I would buy a ton of Bitcoin beforehand. I don't know why you wouldn't. I mean, if you know a bunch of people are going to be buying later, then you should probably buy now while it's still cheap. So that's exactly what was happening. And then, of course, today, September 7th, when supposedly everyone is supposed to buy it and not sell it. But I'm sure there's a lot of people who are doing that, buying it on top of their dollar cost average of their weekly buys and whatnot. But the thing is, traders are taking advantage of it, and they kind of seem to be in position of it. They probably have more money and stuff trading like that. And so, Bitcoin was going up and up and up, right? Because everyone knew it was sell the news. It was a huge pump and dump. I already knew Bitcoin maximalists were creating a pump and dump by saying everyone buy $30 worth on September 7th. Like, it's just the same concept with Dogecoin of how Elon Musk went on Saturday Night Live and they all said he's going to mention Dogecoin on Saturday Night Live, pump it, pump it. And then on the day he went, it crashed, right? It's the same concept. Of course, it's on a huge, larger scale because it has to do with the whole country adopting Bitcoin as legal tender, or it's not just some like billionaire going on to Saturday Night Live or anything like that. So yeah, I mean, that's why Bitcoin is doing a huge pump and dump. Of course, it's not normal for this to happen, but traders took advantage of the situation, and everyone knew it would dump. I knew it was going to dump, everyone else knew it was going to dump, and everyone knew why it was pumping. It was pumping because everyone was buying ahead of time. So I bought the dip. You guys should too. Not financial advice, but I bought the dip, and it could dip lower and lower and lower, and then I'll buy that dip and whatnot. But Bitcoin for me is a long-term hold, and I'll keep stacking onto it. I already buy weekly with Bitcoin, and when it does dips like this, if I have the money, I'll buy on top of that. So yeah, that's why Bitcoin dumped. Just making like a short 5 or less minute video. So yeah, that's it. So El Salvador basically is the whole Bitcoin pumping up. And let me show you one good tweet from Plan B really quick. Funny to see all the sell the news traders handing over their Bitcoins to El Salvador and hodlers around the world. Make sure you transfer your Bitcoin out of the exchanges into your own wallet. So even Plan B knew that it was happening, that traders were selling the news on September 7th because they knew everyone was buying $30 worth that day. So that's just what happened. It's kind of obvious. A lot of people freaked out and said they wish they sold beforehand, but I'm like, why didn't you? It was super obvious. Everyone knew. Like, unless you're not like following social media and you're just looking at your portfolio and you're not on any crypto social medias. But that's the thing with crypto. You still got to like be aware of what's going on in the crypto land because it was very obvious it was going to dump. I would have betted my whole life on it, honestly. So yeah. All right. See you guys later in another video.